Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the last video, I explained about the formula. I derived the formula to find the distance between 2 points x1, y1, x2, y2. So, the formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root of under root. That is the formula for distance between 2 points or line joining the points. That means length of the points. Okay, in this video I want to explain another derivation. Find the coordinate of a point P which divides the line joining the points A x1 y1, B x2 y2 in the ratio m1 is to m2 internally. Meaning I will explain here, then I will explain. Now here see, point A x1 y1, suppose point B x2 y2, 2 points are there. And the line joining points P is there, it dividing this total length AB into 2 parts such that this part is M1, this part is M2. That means AP is to PB, AP is to PB is equal to M1 is to M2. So such that it is dividing. What you have to do means, like that point which divides the line joining AB in the ratio M1 is to M2, that point's coordinates we have to calculate. That means suppose let that point's coordinates be x and y, then x or y we have to calculate. So now proof I will explain. So now this is the point A, this is point A, point A x1 y1, P let x comma y, this is B x2 comma y2, A x1 y1, here only I will write A x1 y1, B x2 y2 given. A point P is there on the straight line AB, it is dividing the AB in which ratio? M1 is to M2 ratio. That is the given. Now remaining are constructions. Now L, M, N, L dash, M dash, N dash, R, S, T names, any names we can give. Okay, now first write the data. Now see, given A x1 y1 comma B x2 y2, given A x1 y1 comma B x2 y2 given. Let P, see we are let this one, P x comma y be the point on the line AB, on the line AB, P is the point on the line AB. How it is? Such that the condition you only give, such that what? AP is to PB is equal to M1 is to M2. That is AP by PB is equal to M1 by M2. With this condition, one point is there on this line P. That means it divides the line AP is to PB in the ratio M1 is to M2. The ratio also given. Now, remaining constructions we know. See, from APB, from A comma P comma B onto, from APB onto which axis? X axis. Draw perpendiculars. I am writing here like this. Perpendiculars, what are those perpendiculars? AL comma PM comma BN. Same way from again APB, from APB onto the y axis, draw perpendiculars, this is perpendicular symbol, perpendiculars y axis. What are those? AL dash, comma, PM dash, comma, BN dash. Okay, this is construction what we did. Now some we write. What are those means? Now you see verticals first you write. AL, see here I am writing. AL is equal to what? AL, this is O, origin anyway, you know origin. AL is equal to, from origin only we will measure the coordinate distances. So that's why AL in terms of this vertical line and horizontal lines we should write. So this is equal to, AL is equal to what? OL dash. So AL is equal to OL dash. This is what? Vertical coordinate of this point A. Vertical coordinate of this point A is what? Y1. So like that PM. First we are writing verticals PM. PM is nothing but OM dash, one not dash. Now this OM dash is from O, this point, y distance of this point, P point, that is Y. Now next for B. BN is equal to what? ON dash. This is equal to ON dash. This is the vertical distance of point B, that is Y2. Vertical distance is Y, horizontal distance X. That's why this coordinate is what? Y2. So Y2. Now in the same way for this also we write. That means for horizontals also write. That means we wrote verticals. Now you write horizontals. AL dash you write. AL dash is nothing but horizontal distance OL. This OL is equal to O to L. This is horizontal distance for the A point. The x coordinate of A point is x1. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, now x1. That is x1. Now second. The second is this is P, point P, PM dash. PM dash. The PM dash is equal to horizontally OM. That distance is horizontal distance of this point, that is x. Only x. Let this point is x, y. We took this as xy. That xy values only we have to calculate. Now last horizontal BN1, BN dash, that is equal to ON. That is what? The horizontal distance of point B, that is x2. Okay. Once you write this, see, this is a right angle triangle, this is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangles, what? APR, see, APR, comma, PBT, because this is right angle, x axis, y axis intersection. X axis, y axis intersection is 90 degrees. So, by this APR, PBT are similar. These two triangles are similar. Why similar means, you see, one angle is 90 degrees, this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Because parallel lines, this is cross verse, same side angles are equal, that you know. So because two angles equal, automatically third angle also equal. If three angles of a triangle is equal to another triangles angles equal to another triangles angles, then those two angles are similar. That means if two triangles are having same angles, then those two triangles are similar triangles. Similar triangles are having some property. Because these are right angle, I am also right angle only drawing. Suppose these two are not same size, similar triangles, identical, congruent triangles is different, similar triangles is different. So suppose this is ABC, this is PQR. If these two are similar, then what is the condition means? If two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides ratio, their corresponding sides ratio is equal. That means this by this side is what? Suppose AB side you take in this P by Q side take, the ratio you take, that ratio equal to BC by this QR ratio is equal to this AC by this PR ratio. So these ratios are equal. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides ratio is equal. Based on this theorem, we can prove that this theorem. So now these two are similar, we wrote. That's why according to that similar triangles property, what we can write? Ratios. See, in this triangle I am taking AP by same in this triangle is PB is equal to, in this triangle horizontal AR, in this triangle horizontal PT is equal to, in this triangle vertical PR, in this triangle vertical BT. Okay, all these are equal. But see, AP by PB what? M1 given M1 by M2. So that's why all these are equal means what? AP by PB is equal to M1 by M2, AR by PT also M1 by M2, PR by PT also M1 by M2. Any set we can take. First horizontal set I am taking. Horizontal is AR, this set. So AR by PT is equal to M1 by M2. We know. Now we are expanding this AR value. AR is equal to what? I am expanding. ARC. What is AR? AR is equal to what? LM. LM from in terms of from O, how can you write? LM OM minus OL. So OM minus OL we can write. Now you see, okay, this we can write. Now for a PT also you write PT. PT what? PT this one. So this is MN. MN how can you write? ON minus OM. ON minus OM one can write. So that's why in this instead of AR we can write OM minus OL by instead of PT ON minus OM is equal to M1 by M2 only. Okay, now you have these values. See, OM, that's why first we wrote all OM X minus OL you see X1 by ON X2 minus OM again X. This is M1 by M2. Now cross multiply. M1 into X2 minus X is equal to M2 into X minus X1. Cross multiplication. Now you expand. M1 X2 minus M1X is equal to M2X minus M2X1. If you observe, this is X2, this is X1, this X, so 2X are there, we can common. So these two one side you write, but this side this writing, no change in the symbol M1X. This coming to this side minus M2 minus X, because this is coming to this side. I wrote is equal to. This side I am leave off this one, M2 minus X1. This coming to this side minus will come M1 X2. Now along with minus X we can common. X also minus also common. So minus common, that's why M1 will come here plus M2 will come. See this, if you multiply minus into plus minus X into M2 X M2. Okay, like this. This as is common minus common. So M2 X1 plus it becomes plus M1 X2. Totally this minus is multiplying this minus also multiplying this. You can cancel both sides minus. Now X into M1 plus M2 is equal to M2 X1 plus M1 X2. Now we want X means M2 X1 plus M1 X2 whole by M1 plus M2. This is the X coordinate of the point P. So in the same way, take vertical ratios. Vertical ratios are PR. This take PR. So anyway, PR by BT is equal to M1 by M2. Now write PR, you write. What is PR? See, PR, that is this L dash M dash. This in terms of from O, how can you write this length? OM dash minus OL dash. OM dash minus OL dash. That is here only I am writing. OM dash is what? OM dash y minus OL dash y1. Now BT, for BT you see, BT means what? Here we wrote this also, BT means what? Here also you can see BT. So here won't be BT. This BT is equal to parallel lines M dash N dash, M dash N dash. This we want to write from O means this length ON dash minus OM dash, ON dash minus OM dash. So that you ON dash y2 minus OM dash again y1. So now substitute in this. Instead of PR you write y by y minus y1. Instead of BT you write y2 minus y1. This is equal to m1 by m2. Cross multiplication same. m1 into y2 minus y1 is equal to m2 into y1 minus y, both y1 minus y1. See here, which one? This one, y minus y1. Okay, wrong wrote. Okay, now only is, otherwise here means confusion. Okay, now expand. m1 y2, m1 y1, m2 y. Here again what wrote? m1 into y2 minus y1. Here also what is this? Y. m1 into y2 minus y is equal to m2 into y minus y1. Okay, m1 y2 minus m1 y, this is y, is equal to m2 y minus m2 y1. Okay, don't write wrongs, you should carefully you see. Now here also y there common, so first we write m1 y, this come to this side m2 y, here is equal to this m2 y minus m2 y only, this come to this side means m1 y2. Now minus common, y1 common, y m1 y always I am writing wrongs. M1 y minus m2 y equal to m2 y1, here see m2 y1, this come to this side m1 y2. Okay, now y common, minus also m1 plus m2. Now plus because minus common, here minus, only minus common, m2 y1 plus m1 y2. Now minus minus cancel, y into m1 plus m2 is equal to m2 y1 plus m1 y2. We want only y means m2 y1 plus m1 y2 by m1 plus m2 y. This is nothing but the y coordinate of the point P. Now therefore the coordinates of the point P are what? See that one, m2 x1 plus m1 x2 by m1 plus m2, x coordinate comma y coordinate is m2 y1 plus m1 y2 by m1 plus m2. This is the formula. See the formula. The point P which divides the line joining a x1 y1 comma b x2 y2 in the ratio m1 is to m2 is, the x coordinate is m2 x1 plus m1 x2 over by m1 plus m2, the y coordinate is m2 y1 plus m1 y2 over by m1 plus m2. To remember this formula very easy. Why? Because in okay, trick is nothing. See here x coordinate x only will come, y coordinate y only will come. m1 m2 is there, x1 x2 is there, m1 m2 is there, y1 y2 is there. Suppose first write x1 x2 write, 1 is there means m2 write, here 2 there means m1 write, plus down anyway m1 plus m2 only. In the same way y also, y1 write, y2 write, y1 no y2 write separately. Now here 1 there means opposite 2 write, 2 there means m1 right plus m1 plus m2 down. Like that you can remember. This is the trick for remember. x1 x2 write first, y1 y2 write first. x1 is there means m2 right, 2 there means 1 right. Down anyway m1 plus m2. We can remember easily like that. Okay. Now this is the problem derivation. I hope everyone understood this problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.